Okay, so welcome to the 5th project for PowerPoint. Great work so far. Okay, as always, save your file with _2 as the name so Sam can grade it. I always print my instructions, so I'm just going to go straight from my printed instructions here. So, step 1, first I'm going to set up my start file to be a little bit nicer than this. Okay. Step 1, you work in the planning department for the community of Parnell Island in Washington State and need to add and edit pictures to a presentation on public art policy for the town council. Begin by setting the sharpness of the sunset picture on the title slide to 50. So this is your sunset picture. Click on that and then you get picture format tools show up. We're going to go over to corrections, and the first group here is your sharpen soften. So we're just going to hover till we find sharpen 50. Step 2, on the title slide, convert the text to public art policy. So here it is, and I'm going to select the outside box so it turns from dotted to solid. Convert this to a WordArt object using the fill dark red accent color 2, outline dark red accent color 2, WordArt style. Style is your keyword here. So we're going to go up to shape format once we have this selected, and we look for our WordArt style, which is here. Is it one of these here? Okay, so it's this one here. Just click on that one, and if you wanted to, you could also click the drop down to get access to all of them. Step 3 on slide 2. Insert the picture file, rings. So this one comes from your support file from Sam. So we're just going to go insert and pictures, and from this device, and it goes to your downloads folder. So we're going to go click on rings. I'm going to get rid of design ideas. Apply the Bevel Rectangle picture style. So we'll click on the picture so that we can get our picture format tools show up. Here's the picture styles here. So we're going to look for Bevel Rectangle. So we'll just hover till you find Bevel Rectangle. Change the color tone of the picture to temperature. So I'm going to go over to corrections and picture corrections, all my options. Cool. Go to picture color, and I have saturation and temperature. Temperature is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to type in 8800. Alright, now I'm just going to close that down. Position the picture to the right of the text. Alright, so just, oh, I missed a step. Change the height to 4. So here's my size bar here. So the height is 4.0. And if your computer is in centimeters, you can check out my YouTube channel to see how to change that. But if not, if you're still working from just having centimeters turned on, you can just put your double quotation marks there or inches symbol, and it will automatically convert it from inches to centimeters. Okay? My lock aspect ratio was on, that's why it automatically changed the width to make it look all pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to put it like this to be on the right of the text. Crop the picture so that only the right ring is featured as shown in figure 1. So take a look at your figure 1 and you'll see that only this guy is shown right here. So we're going to go up and click on crop, and we get these black rectangles. So we're going to choose this one and we're going to pull it in. Okay. Okay, that looks about right. And I'm going to turn off crop again. Alright, so step 4, on slide 4, oops. Delete the shape containing text enhance livability. So click and just hit the delete key. And then move the picture containing text honor artist so that it appears evenly placed between the pictures containing celebrate heritage and promote tourism. So here's honor artist. And to see if it is placed evenly, you look for this. So see the gray lines, vertical gray lines, and then 2 little red arrows between them. That's to show that there's an even spacing between each picture. So let go. And it says align the 3 shapes so that the tops are level. So that's a line top. So you're going to select, click and hold your control button, click on all three. Now I'm letting go of my control button, and I'm going to go up to the align here, which is in the arrange group. So I'm going to hover, that's align objects, perfect, and I'm going to choose align top. There we go. Okie dokie, so I'm going to deselect those by just clicking outside anywhere here in the white of the slideshow. Step 5 on slide 9, I have to insert a video. So you have this here, and it's just options, quick options for you to choose, and this one here is insert a video. So click on that one, and it should be in your downloads folder. Double click and open it up. Perfect, and then apply the snip diagonal corner white video style. So I'll just close this down. So again, we're looking for video styles. So here's video styles here, and I believe snip diagonal corner right white, sorry. That's it. Perfect. And step 6 is on slide 10. Insert WordArt using the text questions. So I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to find WordArt. Here we go. And it says to choose a familiar style. We chose this one earlier, so this one here. And we type in the word questions, capital Q, question mark. And we have to apply the wave down transform effect to the WordArt object. So I'm going to select the outside of it here, and we're going to go to text effects to find that one. And we're going to go to transform here, and I'm going to look for the wave. So wave down. There we go. And change the 3D rotation effect to perspective. So I'll go up here and 3D rotation. There we go. Perspective front. But we want perspective right. What's this one left? And right. Alright, and increase the width to 7. So here's our size. So we go width 7.0. Perfect. Position the WordArt object in the upper left part of the slide above the horizon. So it's on figure 2, so you can have a look to see. But this one is just kind of like eyeballing it. There's no smart guides. So just eyeball it. That looks